the title down below that I'll be doing a review and demo on the new foundation that I just bought. So the one that I have here is actually a brand named Phoera. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is the packaging, and this is how the name is, Phoera. Okay. Okay. So I bought this for only $5 and wait, it was only $4.90, around $5. So it comes in a 30 ml bottle, this small, and the color that I have is in 105 cent. So I'll just read what is actually stated on the box, and pretty much it's stated the same on the bottle. So from what I can see here is that it says soft matte long wearing liquid foundation, coverage foundation, natural flawless, oil controlling, lightweight feel. So I've already primed my face with my normal priming routine, which is you guys can see from the video on top. So I'm just going to shake this foundation. Okay, and I'm just going to use one pump first. One pump. So that is one pump. I'm just going to spread onto my face as per normal. Gonna start blending right now. Okay. So far it's easy to blend, super easy to blend. I was expecting it to be a little bit hard to blend because when I actually palm at the back of my hand, it feels macam dia punya foundation is the bangsa, the type of foundation that it actually dries up very fast and it's hard to blend. But it's not. Not bad. This is how one layer looks, and it looks matte. It's like super matte. It doesn't have any shine to it. I'm not really sure if you guys can see it on the camera, but as what I seen in the in the mirror right now, it's very matte, super matte. So I'm just gonna do another pump. Okay, one more pump. Okay, the foundation is matte gila. So for those who have like oily skin or you guys love matte foundation, you guys can try this, but I'm afraid this is not suitable for dry skins, but you guys can see the matte there. This is how it looks with two pumps. Coverage wise, I can see it has a very full coverage. Lightweight, but it doesn't really set in that fast. Maksudnya macam dia tak kering serta-merta, but it's not so sticky. So I guess I will just do the rest of my makeup and I'll see you guys in a bit. Yes guys, I already done the rest of my face and I can see the foundation is quite, I mean it's too early to say that the foundation is quite good, but I use cream blusher, and when I actually blend the cream blusher, my foundation tak bergerak. Maksudnya it doesn't move along with the cream blusher, if you guys get what I'm trying to say. But overall, I love the coverage. I love that it feels lightweight. Dia tak rasa very heavy and cakey, even though it's so pumped. And that's all I have to say for now, but I will check back when I get home from JPO. So currently it's already 12 o'clock, so I'll be out at like in half an hour. I'm not really sure what time I'll be back, but yes. So this is how the final look, like fresh makeup look. So the foundation is awesome, quite awesome. But like I say, it's a bit too early for me to see though. So I'll check back soon. Bye! So hi guys, I'm actually back and it's already been a few hours and currently it's almost 10:30 and you guys can see that the foundation does oxidize a lot and I think it's a match I think. Does it look too dark? I don't know if it looks too dark in the camera, but in the mirror it looks okay lah. But I don't know man, you'll be the judge. Does it look too dark? But anyways, this is how it looks after. So I went out at 12:30, so currently it's 10:30, 10 to 11 hours. So this is how the foundation looks like. I do have a bit of like macam sebelah area hidung, macam tak hilang because I lap peluh, and that's normal for me. Every time I lap peluh, the foundation tends to hilang sikit. But other than that, you guys can see it's still intact. I've been out in the hot sun and the rainy weather, so this is how it looks. But I'm just not liking how thin it actually makes me look like. Oh yeah, and I took off my lashes, so excuse me, I'm so exhausted actually, but I have to do an update. So I took off my lashes and everything, so I just left my face. It looks, I don't know, but does it make me look super gelap? Because in the camera it makes me look super duper gelap. So yes guys, I think that's the end of my video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave my conclusion of this video down in the description box because my battery is dying. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, XXO, bye bye.